This is a 2007 Honda Accord. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Features include a power glass sunroof, a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, a 6-speaker audio system, 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and this vehicle has fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Lafayette Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5202 Rayford Road in Fayetteville.